Starbond has a new product and I couldn't wait to try it. It's mother of pearl wood inlay, meaning it's made for inlaying in wood. It is actual ground up abalone, ground into flakes. I'm going to put it in this void in this oak. You know, some people would say you should not waste that expensive stuff except on the top layer, and you're probably right. Now I'm going to hit this with some medium. I might ought to should have used thin. I will next time. I am not going to hit this with accelerator. I'm going to let this dry for a little while. I'll come back. I have no mica powder in here, just the mother of pearl, and that is gorgeous. It's got a little more scraping to do, but I like this product. That's cool. I mean, it's cool. Let me get this sanded up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I've got this sanded up to 600. I'm going to apply some deft sanding sealer. Wow. Would you look at that mother of pearl? And look at it. I've still got some tear out to sand out, but look. Look what that mother of pearl does. Gorgeous. And even here on the end, when it's all done and really shined up, it will be really pretty. And look at that mother of pearl shine. That is just really cool. And this is just sanding sealer. I haven't even finished it yet. Starbond, you hit this one out of the park. Great stuff. That mother of pearl came out really, really nice. Perfect inlay material. So what are my thoughts on the Starbond mother of pearl inlay? I really like it. I really do. Good, try some. I think you might like it. It's a good alternative to some of the other things that I've been using, and it gives it a very interesting look. The sheen and the change and the color change from the crushed abalone. I just really like it. It's not going to go with all woods, of course, but no inlay material does. But I like this stuff.